Okay, first you take off the pedal hooks. For folding the loom. Then you take off the braces on the side, or wing nuts. You undo those. It's a good idea to put the wing nuts right back on so they don't get lost. Then you undo the little hooks on the side of the pedal rod. And then you swing the pedal rod forward. Backward, so they're up in the air, and then you lock it in place. Lift up the front, and then hook the springs on the sides. You want to do this one on the side? Okay.
Then you back.
Fold up the hinges.
Hold it in.
Bring the spring back and hook it to hold everything in place. There's another one on the other side.
Put it in there.
Put your finger in there and pull it back. And the loom is folded.